Kangaroo paw plants, Negoxanthus spp, are native to Australia and are known for their unique and stunning flowers. They are popular among gardeners because of their vibrant colors, long blooming season, and ease of care. Here's a guide on how to grow and care for a kangaroo paw plant. Choose the right location. Kangaroo paw plants thrive in full sun to partial shade. They need a well-draining soil that is slightly acidic, with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. They are best grown in USDA hardiness zones 10 to 11, but they can also be grown in zones 8 to 9 with proper winter protection. Planting. Plant your kangaroo paw plant in the spring or fall, when the soil is warm. Space them at least 2 to 3 feet apart, and make sure to plant them at the same depth as they were in their nursery pot. Watering. Kangaroo paw plants prefer to be kept moist, but not waterlogged. Water them regularly, especially during hot, dry weather. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilizing. Fertilize your kangaroo paw plant with a balanced fertilizer every 2 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Use a slow-release granular fertilizer that is specifically formulated for flowering plants. Pruning. Remove the old flower stalks after the flowers have finished blooming. Cut the stalks back to the base of the plant, taking care not to damage the new growth. Prune back the foliage in late winter or early spring to promote new growth. Propagation. Kangaroo paw plants can be propagated by division, seed, or rhizome cuttings. Division is the easiest method, and it should be done in the spring or fall when the plant is dormant. Pest and disease control. Kangaroo paw plants are relatively pest and disease-free. However, they can be susceptible to root rot if the soil is too wet. To avoid this, make sure the soil is well draining, and water your plant carefully. With these tips, you can grow and care for a beautiful and unique kangaroo paw plant in your garden or indoor space. Enjoy the stunning flowers and the low-maintenance care of this amazing plant.